Benefits of convertible bonds. With both stock and bond-like attributes, convertible bonds offer flexibility to investors to cope with the ever-changing investment environment. When the stock market is doing well, a portfolio of convertible bonds can be more aggressive and attempt to achieve returns comparable to stocks. When the stock market is doing poorly, holders of convertible bonds may let the portfolio behave more like traditional bonds. Similar to the U.S. high-yield market, the size of the U.S. convertible bonds market is also the largest in the world. The U.S. market also offers the most choices, with nearly equal number of issuers of investment grade, non-investment grade, and unrated bonds. In the convertible bonds market, the share of unrated issuers has grown. This is because many of these companies have fairly sound balance sheets, that is low or without debt, or uncomplicated capital structures, and therefore they do not intend or need to pay Moody's or Standard & Poor's to rate their securities. Convertible bonds provide potential returns comparable to equities but with lower volatility, which offers protection against downside risks during declining markets. The combination of offensive and defensive natures makes convertible bonds a compelling choice during times of uncertainty. The key is to convert at the right time. Historically, convertible bonds have exhibited a high correlation to equities, meaning its price movements are quite similar to the stock market. In contrast, the correlation between convertible bonds and U.S. Treasuries is only low, meaning their prices rarely move in tandem with each other. Historically, convertible bonds exhibit asymmetric risk-reward profile, meaning they participate more in the upside than in the downside of the underlying stock. Since 1988, convertible bonds have delivered equity-like returns with lower downside volatility.